step back, maybe you can see it a little bit if you see the sky, the clear sky behind, with the trees out of the way. Next thing will be painting it black and be yellow. This is the cat's house. I did see the black cat. Had to use a bar to prop it up at the back, just so it's supported, because the wing's pretty heavy. So we're not putting it, doesn't have to be perfect. We're just gonna put them up there where they can be seen from the road. Pretty awesome. Starting to smoke inside.